Full tank only means one thing: road trip time. Yeah, boy. Yes, my people, what is good? Good morning, good day, good night, wherever you're watching from. Bright and early here at Savage HQ. So right now, we're getting ready to take the cylinder head, the pistons and the crank up to Leicester. We'll get the head checked, make sure it's good, and obviously get the crank checked. And I've got to drop the pistons off to the engine shop where my block is. So yeah, he can finish up doing the machine work and stuff like that. I'll probably make another follow-up video when I go up to collect the bits, because yeah, I'm just the man. I always ask for permission to film wherever I go, because you know, some people are a bit funny. So yeah, when I spoke to Bijal, he obviously said it might be better to, you know, when you collect the stuff, then we can make a little video. So that's what we're going to be doing. But yeah, I will resume in about a week's time, but it'll be the next clip for you guys. So before I set off, this is the cylinder head here with Supertech springs and retainers in there, stock port, stock valves. So yes sir, got the crank shaft. The crank there looks fairly decent, so hopefully it checks out all good at the machine shop and we'll be good with that. And we also got my pistons right here. So as you see, shiny. So we're gonna get all this loaded up into the car now, and we're gonna make our way up. So see you in a minute. So yes, peeps, you see the smile on my face, man. So it's been a few weeks since that last clip I made. Now got the shout that the block is ready, the head's ready, and the crank's ready. So we're gonna make our way up Leicester now. It's road trip time. And we're gonna pick up our stuff for Pearl. So yeah, man, I've been anticipating this day a long time. It's early as hell. I'm still half asleep, but I'm just cranked up right now. So let's get into it, guys. See you in a minute. So yes, guys, just left the garage. Got 1 hour and 56 minutes. So let's enjoy the ride.
They know I'm the biggest behind. You see, come and find which one I got my mind set from my book. You know them well defined. Concrete, yeah, they hit the point because you go from complete. 24 hours, 7 days, and they wait.
Like, ring ticketing, ring ticketing, ring ticketing. None of them can tell me a thing. Except for the buying and butter my skin. They already know when I rap, when I skin, when I laugh, when I grin, when I get a bunk up and then I ride with them. In the deep end with the moon. When I was young, I was a very good. Even to please, a little trick on a mission, trying to get him a beat. Me and my niggas are slaves.
So yes, guys, I'm pretty deep in Leicester now, and as you see, I've done 116 miles, and I've only done a quarter of a tank. That's why I love these Honda Jazzes, guys. Perfect dailies. Love them. What's our miles per gallon? 47 miles to the gallon. Can't go wrong, mate. So yes, guys, we made it. Trust the Jazz. Yes, sir. Oh boy, new block. Yeah, man. This is our CSS block, guys. So when I get back, I'll show you properly. Yeah, man. Well, 2 hours in Leicester. Come see the man them. Sat in Cat's street car called EG. Yeah, man, we're outside chilling. Just going to pick up a part quick. Yeah, man. I love EGs, though. tight still. Yo. Yeah, I like this. PSI guys, 9 PSI. But little baby TD05. Sound like a starlet, bro. Yeah, man. Old school today. Change that, 'cause I know. So yes guys, just got back, bro, tired, say the least. But we got our head and crank in there and the head gasket. Picked up a couple little bits while I was up there. Yeah boy, look at this guys. Don't mind the paint in the front. I want to get all this sanded off, but yeah man. So this is our high horsepower CSS block. You see there. Oh man, guys, I cannot wait. Get this thing built up. Run some real boost. Woohoo! Yes, man. So I'm gonna get out of here for tonight. I'll yeah, next time I come up, probably be tomorrow. I'm gonna get all this paint. It's like house paint. It's thick. But I started to get some of it off of here. So I know it does come off. It's just gonna be a bastard to get off, but yeah. It's all good. So yes guys, it's been about a week since my last adventure, as you see in the last clip. Pearl is basically just sitting there pretty, to be honest. Yeah, fabrication side of things is all completed, so this is ready to literally come out now, which I'm pretty excited about. So yeah, once that's out, can sort out a couple things in the bay that I'm not happy with, a couple of the lines and stuff, give it a clean up and whatnot. So yeah, you'll be seeing that in most likely the next video. So that'll be something to look forward to. I've got to do the engine bay on this, which I'm gonna do a whole series on as well. And over here, we've got my CSS block. So yeah, that paint would not come off, guys, for nothing. As I said, man, this don't look the greatest, I know, but yeah, I just got to work with what I have at the moment. So just capped off all the ports and stuff, sanded off what I can. It was just so thick on there, guys, but yeah, you're hardly going to see any of this anyway, so I'm not too fussed. I haven't even showed much of this. So this is the cylinder head I'm going to be running. It's just a B16 head. It's got Supertech springs and retainers in there. I just basically got them to lap the valves back in, pressure test it and give it a light skim. And while I was there, obviously the crank got checked out, so that got balanced and polished also, so that's all done. We've got our copper O-rings, which are going to sit in our liners there just to help the sealing. And speaking of sealing, put these down there. Speaking of sealing, this is our Cometic head gasket, which is a 40 foul head gasket right there. So yeah man, once we get stuck into this, I will show you guys everything properly, because I've got loads of bits on the shelf as well. Yeah, so but that'll be that for this video. Sorry it's a bit chopped up in places. I've just been, yeah, up and down, man. So I've hardly had time to even do any of this, guys. So my apologies on that. But yeah, man, we are getting there, slowly but surely. Like I said, I did not anticipate having this car in any position like this anytime soon. So yeah, a lot has happened in a short space of time. So yeah, man, that deserves a thumbs up, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, I'm gonna leave it there, guys. Just make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, make sure you're subscribed. And yeah, man, you never miss an upload on this, do you know what I mean? We're doing some sick shit here, guys. There's gonna be projects coming out which you're gonna be like, yo. Yeah. So just make sure you tune in, make sure you stay tuned in, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. So peace out.